Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following states. 1. Sikkim. 2. Arunachal Pradesh. 3. Nagaland. 4. Manipur. Which of the above states have disturbed areas under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer is option B. Union Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, extended the Armed Forces Special Powers Act in the states of Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland for another 6 months. The 1958 law gives power to the Indian Army and the Central Armed Police Forces deployed in disturbed areas to kill anyone acting in contravention of law, arrest and search any premises without a warrant, and protection from prosecution and legal suits without the central government's sanction. Consider the following statements regarding electronic funds transfer systems in India. 1. Real-time gross settlement, RTGS, processes transactions in real time, while the National Electronic Funds Transfer, NEFT, system settles transactions in batches at fixed intervals during banking hours. 2. Immediate Payment Service, IMS, enables 24/7 fund transfers, including weekends and bank holidays. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option C. Statement 1 is correct. RTGS processes each transaction individually in real time. This means funds are transferred immediately provided that the sender has sufficient balance. Minimum amount, 2 lakh rupees. NEFT operates on a batch processing system. Transactions are accumulated during the day and processed in specific intervals, batches, during banking hours. Statement 2 is correct. IMS is designed to facilitate immediate fund transfers, and it is available 24/7, including weekends and bank holidays. Maximum limit, 2 lakh rupees. Thank you.